Welcome to BestusefulTips. I will show you how to enable night light on your Google Pixel 8 Pro device. Open the app drawer on your Pixel device. Tap on a setting here or setting app. Now scroll down up to display. Tap on display. Again scroll until you can see the night light. You can quickly toggle on or toggle off the night light. When you toggle on night light, you can see change the screen color. It will helpful to easier to read in a dim light on your device. To customize it, tap on a night light. Now make sure the toggle on. Now tap on a schedule. Here you can set a nightlight schedule. Tap on a turn at a custom time. Now enter the start time or end time to automatically use nightlight on your device. You can also choose from sunset to sunrise. To set this, make sure enable location. Now toggle on the location. Go back. Now tap on a sunset to sunrise. It's quite easy to set a schedule. If you don't want to set schedule, just toggle off. Choose none to turn it off. When you enable night light, it will be helpful to easy to look at your screen in dim light and helpful to sleep easily on your device. If you don't want to use, just toggle off. So quite easy to enable night light on your device. Also increase or decrease the intensity you want to set on your device. That's it. If you like it, share it.